YouTube! I was gonna say hey YouTube, but I'm so sick of hearing that greeting with every YouTube video that I watch. Hey YouTube! What's up guys? So I'm just gonna say, YouTube, I'm here, you're here, let's get started. So I got this hair, I got this hair from Queen Weave, and I got it in the mail yesterday. I want y'all to know how much you mean to me. The fact that I have waited to open this until I made a YouTube video means I really care about the people that actually subscribe and watch my videos, so we can open it together. It came in this amazing DHL package. I am not a fan of DHL simply because you have to be home to sign for it. Otherwise, you have to go and pick it up, which is really annoying because they're not allowed to put it into the mailbox like everybody else. So me and DHL do not have a good relationship. Anyway, let's open it up, see what we got. So I ordered 3 bundles and a closure. So far, so good. No weird smells coming out of the bag, which I have had with other hair companies before. They put a little instruction booklet in here, which is really cool. Oh, they even give instructions on how to bleach the knots. So I will definitely take a look at that. Wow, they've even included some pictures of the products to bleach the knots. So if you're not familiar with bleaching knots, that's really, really nice of them. They put a little coupon in here, a little postcard. So thoughtful. Anywho, this is Queen Weave, and this is some of the other types of hair that they offer. So I went with the light Yaki. I really wanted to try something different. I feel like I wear the same hair all the time. It's either a Brazilian wave or a really tight curl. So I wanted something a little bit different. So I wanted to go with like a coarser type of hair, but not too coarse. I got my own coarse hair to deal with. So I wanted something a little bit on the coarser side, but not quite. So let's see. Right now I'm gonna open up the 16-inch. All right, so I think 16 is the smallest one. So I got 16, 20, I must have got an 18. Yeah, 16, 18, and 20. I'm about to be out here. Long hair, don't care. All right, here we have the hair. I like it, yes. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a coarse feel to it, and I'm kind of a coarse look as well, which is actually gonna come out really nice if you don't wanna see all these individual crinkles. Once I blow dry it and straighten it, I'm sure of it. Because I've seen hair like this before where, you know, the crinkles give it that natural look, but it looks really, really good once it's styled. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's kind of an off black. I would say like a 1B, which is fine. I didn't really plan on coloring the hair anytime soon. What I do with new hair is I rock it dark for a bit just to get as much use out of it as much as I possibly can, because once you color the hair, it is somewhat damaged. No matter what people say, oh, I don't damage my hair when I color it. Yes, coloring does damage the hair to some capacity. It might not be terrible, but it still does some damage to the hair. So anywho, this is the 16. What I really want to see is what this closure is talking about. That's the real test. Because honestly, finding good hair is a lot more common nowadays. Finding a good closure is where you can go wrong. And I didn't. This is bomb. Okay, this is the closure. It looks really, really good. I got a free part closure. I will end up putting a part in it myself, but it's definitely a match for the hair. Same color, same texture. It is a lace closure, and it does look like the knots will need to be bleached, and that's simply because you can see them really, really well. So I'll be sure to bleach those it's not too bad. Let's say you're not an expert. Well, I'm not an expert either. But let's say you're not an expert also at bleaching knots. If you didn't want to take the chance bleaching the knots, you still could be okay. Because look, this is the closure on my skin. And you can see that when I part it, hold on, I'm trying to get a good grip here for you. You can see that when I part it and put my hand under it, that it's still skin-like. So even if you didn't bleach the knots, I don't think you'd be in terrible trouble. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach them, but they look really, really good. This is a good closure. Yeah, this is a good closure. All right, so that is the unboxing of the Queen Weave light Yaki hair, 3 bundles, 16, 18, 20, and the closure. Let's see how long the closure is, because I can't remember. Oh, the closure is, the closure is a 4x4, 14-inch. Gotta do the official YouTube move. And I haven't gotten my nails done because I wanna wait until after I sew the hair in, just because in case the needle nicks some of the paint off, so I'm gonna wait to get my nails done. But everything looks great. I'll be back once I put this in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share with your friends. Thanks.